I always start my eggs in cold water. I just go ahead and put them in there before they come to a boil, so I don't risk dropping them and cracking them. But here's something I wanted to show you. If you notice, this egg right here, boop, it's floating. So we're going to take that one out, because if an egg is floating, then it's not a good egg. At least that's what I've always been told. So if anyone knows any differently, you can let me know. But I am gonna just go ahead and take that out to be on the safe side. But I'm gonna put some salt in here. That's gonna help with the boiling process. And it's also supposed to help loosen the egg from the shell. That is usually my biggest obstacle when it comes to doing deviled eggs, boiling eggs, is getting the shell released from the egg. But I have learned a couple of things that have helped, salt being one of them. And I'm going to probably cover these to try to get them to a boil faster. So we'll check back in when they start to boil. Okay, my eggs have started to boil. They've come to a good rolling boil. So I'm going to go ahead and set a timer for 10 minutes. And we're going to let them boil really hard for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is up. So I've turned the heat off. We're going to bring that heat down. And then I'm going to take these over to the sink and pour out carefully. Pour out this hot water. And I'm going to run cold water in there. And I'm going to let them sit in cold water to stop the cooking process. Also to hopefully loosen up the shell a little bit. And I usually do this a couple times, because when you first put the cold water in there, it's going to get warm really fast because they're so hot. So I do drain it, let it sit for a couple of turns of cold water. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mindy and I'm so glad to have you joining me today. We are making some deviled eggs, if you didn't already guess that. I am responsible for bringing the eggs to my family's Thanksgiving dinner. So that's what I'm working on, and I thought I would share it with you. There may be some of you out there who have never made deviled eggs before that need a little help with it. But I've just been peeling the eggs, and now I'm slicing them, and I sliced them half in half long ways. So peeling was a lot better this time. So definitely adding salt to the water and running the cold water, having them in a cold water bath, does help to loosen the shells. I had a couple that the shells still stuck to them, but not many at all. Our basic deviled egg ingredients includes mayonnaise, sweet salad cubes, salt, and pepper. And I like to use Duke's mayonnaise. That's the best in my opinion. For this batch, I made about 46 deviled eggs, and I used 5 big tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 teaspoons of salad cubes, a teaspoon of salt, and about half a teaspoon of pepper. And that's your basic mixture. Now I'm going to go in and I'm also going to add some things to some of the eggs, such as smoked paprika, regular paprika, and then a little bit of bacon pieces. And that just adds a nice little flavor for those who like to spice it up a little bit. I do recommend that you use some type of bag, whether it's an icing bag like I have here or a Ziploc bag. Ziploc bags work just as well, and you just cut the tip out of the corner. But it just makes the presentation look so much nicer and cleaner when you're able to pipe in the egg filling. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll give it a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you try out this deviled egg recipe, let me know how it turns out for you. I hope you've had a wonderful Thanksgiving or whatever holiday you may be celebrating, and take care. Bye y'all.